Angie talks about how Sandra used to ask her to read and write things for her when they were in school. One of the most common difficulties people have with reading and writing is spelling, and a good way to improve your spelling is by breaking up words. A lot of longer words begin with the same letters. In many of these cases, these groups of letters are called prefixes. Let's look at some examples to find out what a prefix is. We can see that the words reread, rewrite, redo all begin with the prefix re. The words unhappy, unimportant and unfit begin with the prefix un. And we can also see the prefix dis at the start of the words disagree, dislike and disloyal. These groups of letters, re, un and dis, are called prefixes. A prefix is a group of letters put before another word to change the original word's meaning. Some prefixes are very common and you'll see them a lot. Another common prefix is mis, which means to do something incorrectly. Mis appears in front of words like misread and mishear, which both mean to read and to hear incorrectly. One important point to note about prefixes is that just because a word begins with a certain group of letters, that doesn't always mean that it is a prefix. For example, the group of letters UN at the beginning of the words understand and uniform is not a prefix. Your knowledge of prefixes can help you to understand the meaning of and to spell longer words. As you get used to using them, you'll begin to see just how common prefixes are in English.